MLA S. Premchand has announced cash award of 50,000 rupees for farmers in Kumbi constituency who achieve highest yields in agricultural production in first phase of cropping. The MLA was speaking at the felicitation function of new joiners to BJP organized by BJP Kumbi Mandal at Apokpa Shanglen at Wangu Terakhong Mayai Lekai today. He expressed satisfaction over various activities taken up by BJP for the underprivileged groups in the constituency. He highlighted that top-yielding kharif farmers during first phase of cropping was rewarded 20,000 rupees, where two farmers shared 10,000 rupees each and rupees 5,000 was rewarded as second prize. However, this year, the cash award has been increased to 50,000 rupees to motivate and encourage the farmers.
Asang ba su buju uri ba sang ba je hek loiba ama asang mamu hen ba ama loiba asang ba mo hen ba akoi nungai tabri yeng sero ko aduna ai ngai mamang de la foksi gibdini fast aba mi do ek ai la ko kibdil sing bul bin la ko pune do fast ani ra mina sing gun la tara yen na bane zikido sakel price to sing manga is pije ni next mathang di koi khara yang no honar ga fast anu hono mi do sing yang khai wa ma pin